Hello and welcome back to the Coder's Legacy channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate a Matplotlib navigation toolbar into your Tkinter application. You probably saw online somewhere how to integrate a Matplotlib graph into your application, but now you don't know how to add the toolbar, and you need it, but you're getting confused. So I'll teach you how to do that in today's video. It's going to be pretty simple. All we need to do is import this class the same way we imported the canvas class from the matplotlib.backends module. Okay, now come down here to where you created your canvas. Do toolbar is equal to navigation toolbar to tk. The first object here, the first parameter here, is going to be the canvas object that we created. So canvas, okay, this one. Then the second parameter is going to be the Tkinter parent. Like, in Tkinter, if you're familiar with Tkinter, which you should be, then the first parameter in every Tkinter widget is basically the parent, right? Like the frame over here, etc. Oh, and look, I forgot to do that for the label. Wow. Well, anyways, over here, I'm going to do frame, and that's it actually. We'll come down here now and say toolbar.pack, and this will pack our toolbar into our application. There we go. Cool, right? So there's the toolbar. Now, one slightly annoying thing is that it's showing up after the button. So let's figure out how to solve that. I think doing pack toolbar is equal to false over here. And yeah, there we go. Just use that. Okay, that I almost always use this, and it resolves any problems I have with the packing. Now, just one more thing, because right now there's still one issue that I want to point out. Because if you hover over any point, and as is Matplotlib's default behavior, it's going to show the coordinates over there, right down here. So it's causing the toolbar to move around too much. So what I'm going to do is anchor this first of all to the left. Okay, W for west. It takes WNSE. Okay, and this does this. But the coordinates are still not where they're supposed to be. So what I'm going to do to solve this is fill is equal to tk.x. This will allow it to expand in the x direction. And now it's showing up at the end where it's supposed to. Now if I plot the graph, because I built this application in my previous video, so if I click plot graph, it's going to generate a graph here, see? And then we can use our toolbar, like click on this button, okay? Then you can use it to move around, okay? It's pretty helpful when your viewport is less than the size, sorry, the viewport is less than the size of the graph. So you need to move around to see the whole thing. And then we can also zoom in, all right? And then we can undo over here and redo. Then also we can do this reset view. Then we can also save our, graph as a PNG. So again, it's pretty useful, right? The toolbar. That's the end of this video. Hope you found it useful.